Hello everyone, this is Nishant and I welcome all of you to the first ever orientation class on DAMP Sociology, that is Daily Answer Writing and Mentorship Program, which is something that is very unique and novel kind of initiative that we have taken. Now the fact is what this program is all about. Before going into the details of this question, that what DAMP is all about, I would like to highlight one very important date. Okay, so do one thing, just note that date on your notepad or your diary or your class note, whatever you do. Just stick that page out and paste it on the wall. Okay, the date is, it's very important date. The date is 4th January 2021. Now, what are we going to do on this date? This is the date when this program is going to get launched. Now, second question, what is this program all about? Even before addressing this question, let me explain one thing to all of you. Prelims for the year 2021 is hardly 6 months away, which is scheduled for 27th of June 2021. The question that students often come across in their preparation is, how do we manage these 6 months? How do we manage or how do we maintain a balance between the optional and the prelims, which is about to happen on 27th of June 2021? See, there is one idea of liminality, something that I want to discuss. What is liminality? What is liminal space? देखो क्या होता है, जब आपका engagement होता है किसी के साथ, okay, when you get engaged with someone, उस टाइम पे you are neither completely single nor you are married. जब हमारा engagement होता है तो उस टाइम ना हम सिंगल रहते हैं पूरी तरह, ना हम शादीशुदा हैं, हम बीच में हैं. दिस इज नोन एज लिमिनल स्पेस. उसी तरह जब आपका सिलेक्शन होता है, यहाँ पर जब आपका आता है रैंक 1, रैंक 100, रैंक 200, उस टाइम पे ना आप सिर्फ एस्पिरेंट हो, ना ही आप कंप्लीटली ऑफिसर हो, आप बीच में हो. अभी आप मसूरी जाओगे, ट्रेनिंग लोगे, तो अगेन दिस इज अ लिमिनल स्पेस. Now this kind of liminal space is confronted by, and I can easily say that most of the students here in Old Ranjan Nagar, Patel Nagar and all over India during this period of time, that is December, January, Feb, the biggest liminal space in the preparation of this examination, most of the students are situated in this specific liminal space where they are neither too much sure or much sure about their optional preparation, nor they have gotten enough idea about how to go about their prelims preparation. So one question is, student that often ask me is, sir, when should we finish our optional paper? What is that specific date जब हमारा ऑप्शनल खत्म हो जाना चाहिए? वो कौन सा डेट है जब हम प्रीलिम्स की तैयारी शुरू कर दें, राइट? So in order to help those students, in order to make this transition very smooth, in order to facilitate the students transition from the optional paper towards the prelim, we have designed a very unique and a very novel kind of initiative, that is daily answer writing and mentorship program, which will help you to ensure that you maintain balance between both of them. Every day you have to write only one question, one question per day, and on the same day you will be given solution along with model answer and discussion along with personal feedback. Now this will go on for 2 months. The first month will be dedicated to paper 1. The first month will be dedicated to paper 1, 1 month, and from second month onwards we'll start off with paper 2, second month. Okay, so which means this program will get finished by 4th of March, and by 4th of March you would have covered approximately more than 200 plus questions. I would say approximately 250 questions. March के आते आते 250 क्वेश्चन आप लोगों के ऑप्शनल के हो चुके होंगे। कैसे होंगे वो? एवरी डे यू आर राइटिंग वन क्वेश्चन, ऑन द वीकेंड्स you will be writing mini test. Okay, mini test will cover units of the of all will cover all those units on which you've been writing every day one single question. Okay, so that way mini test would be consisting of approximately 18 questions, out of which you would have to do 10 questions. Okay, the time will be given accordingly, and in the month end you will have to address, or you'll have to write one full length paper. So basically this whole course includes 2 full length paper. Okay, approximately 40 plus daily tests and 4 mini tests. This is the whole program. What will happen eventually? Eventually you will get the proper hold on writing answer within given time, that is 8 minutes. See, for the 10 marks the maximum limit should be 8 minutes. You should not be spending more than 8 minutes on a 10 mark question. Now the question is, how do we manage to write the answer within that 8 minutes? This is something that this test series, not I won't call it test series, basically this is something that this DAMP program specifically aims to address. You will eventually get to realize what are the mistakes that you are making, what should be the points that you should be focusing on, and there's something that we'll be covering extensively through everyday discussion. Okay, and through personal mentored feedback. Okay, so the whole idea is to make sure that you are not losing touch with the optional, and you also have enough time in your hands to manage your prelims preparation. Okay, this will ensure smooth transition from your optional paper into the prelims. Okay, which won't be coming at the cost of either of these, right? So the fact is, if you are thorough with, if you are done with this much set of questions, you will be feeling very much comfortable when you are done with your prelims preparation, because by the time you are done with your prelims you would have had gone through this many set of questions, and you would be feeling much more comfortable and much more confident about your preparation, and that way it will become very easy for you to join a test series. Now the question is, how is this program will be different from the conventional or traditional test series? See, let me tell you one very basic thing. There are two things. There are two things that I'm going to focus on now. Specifically, two questions. How is this program going to be different from a traditional test series on sociology? How DAMP is different from traditional test series or conventional test series? Second question, why only one question per day? Why only one question per day, when we can have 2 or 3 or 4 questions, or even at least 5 questions per day easily? See, let me address the first question. How DAMP is different from traditional test series? होता क्या है ना, जोश जोश में हम 10 टेस्ट वाले, 20 टेस्ट वाले, 30 टेस्ट वाले प्रोग्राम हम ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. बट व्हाट हैपेंस एग्जैक्टली? फॉर द फर्स्ट 2 टेस्ट you will end up wasting at least 1 month, okay, in compiling different set of sources, okay, in making the world's best notes, something which is very utopian. Okay, as many references, so much of time you are going to take to make the final notes. So please do not think about that ideal or the utopian note which is there in your mind. Okay, so the fact is in a traditional test series You will enroll for a 10 full length test series paper, but what will happen after two papers, after writing 3 or 4 at max 5 papers, you won't have enough energy left to write any further, any sixth test or seventh or eighth or ninth or 10th. Okay, what will happen eventually? Eventually you would end up writing only 5 tests out of the 10. What about those rest of the 5? Okay, and then you would keep calling coaching centers, sir please extend करवा दीजिए इसका या फिर उसमें उसमें shift करवा दें. Okay, the fact is, if you cannot write, if you know that you are not going to write all the tests, why are you going to waste your money on such program? Here on the other hand, every day you are supposed to write only one question, and writing one question won't take much of your time, only and only 10 minutes. Initially it may take you even 20 minutes to write one question, but the target is to ensure that from day one when you are taking approximately 20 minutes to write one question, eventually you start taking 15, and then you go down to 10, and finally you'll come near about 8 or 9 minutes. This is something that we are targeting, and this will happen only through a progressive model. And what this progressive model is all about, let me also explain that. What do I mean by progressive model? Since I also call it a progressive series, in the whole week as we know there are 7 days. Okay, for the first 5 days what will happen? You're writing one question every day. On the 7th day you're writing 10 questions. Okay, and then again from second week onwards, again you're writing one question. Okay, and the schedule of the same has already been released, and you can check the description link in order to make sure that what I'm exactly talking about. Okay, so that you can easily parallelly look into the schedule as well. So from second week onwards, what will happen? Again we'll start writing one question of another unit. Okay, again one, again one, again one, again 10, and then eventually by the month end we will reach that whole whole full length paper. Okay, something that you would now be feeling very much confident to write, since you have already gone through this progressive model from 1 to 10, then 1 to 10, and then finally from 1 to full length. And through this model we will ensure two things: that one, you are finishing your syllabus on time; second, the way you are finishing that syllabus is very qualitative in nature. It is not just that we have to write this many set of questions only. Okay, so keeping those things in our mind, keeping current affairs as well in our mind, we have to think about those set of questions. So that is why the idea is to make sure that you are able to manage both optional and prelims. Now, why only one question? The fact is, in order to prepare for that, even for that one question, you will end up spending approximately 2 to 2.5 hours per day. Okay, this much of time you are going to allot to the optional paper. Okay, so if you are already allotting this much of time to your optional paper in order to write that one question, we would not want to write for another 2 hours or 1.5 hours every day, because what will happen eventually, the whole idea of getting your paper evaluated on the same day would get defeated. The main idea is to make sure that you get the evaluation on the same day. Okay, in order to ensure that we are able to deliver on it, we have specifically limited the questions only to one question per day. Okay, this will automatically help you get more hold on that 8-minute target, plus you will get to realize the mistakes same day itself, with copy evaluated on the same day. This is something that we are targeting. Okay, so I hope to see you in this program, and the whole idea is to ensure that whatever you have prepared, whatever source you have referred sociology from, whatever data you have collected over the 6 or 7 months that you might have spent in your sociology preparation, whether that thing is really relevant or not, or whether you are able to really introduce those things into your answer in that given set of time is something that we are going to evaluate. Okay, which is as important as knowing something. There was a point of time when there was when there was dearth of knowledge, in the sense lack of information was the biggest concern at one point of time, but today the only concern is the abundance of information that we have in the age of social media. I hope that this will give you enough command and enough confidence in your preparation, on your preparation, and on the kind of text that you are referring, on the kind of sources that you have referred so far. Okay, thank you.